daan na. Pag dito kami dumaan. Baka makababa lang kami sa dagat. Sabi niya sa anong oras ka magbabrunch? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, okay ko, mga 11:30.
We're still climbing over and we're going there over the house, and it's so hanging here, and here with us is the goat. Yeah, we're the goat. We're with the goat.
Yeah.
No, we're going off over there.
Yes?
Yes.
Do you see that shit? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
No cursing, please.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't see it.
Oh my god. The goat is so slow. Should come over.
Kimberly, let's go.
Wait. What? TikTok?
Laisa.
There's a song. May nagpapatugtog sa taas. Wala siyang tao. Oh my god. Ay, ang ganda doon! Nasa tuktok na kami.
Yes.
Yan. Tadan! Wait lang.
Should we go? Down any further?
Wala. Dead end na dito.
Doon? Ano pa? May daan pa. Punta doon rin. May trail. Di mo ba nakikita yung trail?
Tuloy pa ba?
Are you sure?
Wag na.
Wag na.
Wag na. Wag na daw.